Let's crochet the arm of the cow with pink yarn and white yarn together. We will need to start with magic ring and work 4 single crochet for round 1, totally 4 stitches. Make your left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make a magic ring. Slip off the magic ring, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 3 more times to work 4 single crochet. The third single crochet. 4. See 4 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 2 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 6 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch and work 2 single crochet to make 1 increase. Two single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, see 3 stitches. For the second sequence, 1 single crochet first. And 1 increase. Finished the first single crochet of this increase. Because we need to change the white yarn for the next few rounds, we need to change the color in advance at the second single crochet stitch of this increase. For the last stitch of round 2, we need to start with pink yarn and finish with white yarn. Insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. See 2 pink loops on hook. Take out the white yarn. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your left pinky, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing you. Put the yarn tail behind the crochet piece. Yarn over with the white yarn and pull through the 2 pink loops on hook to finish the second single crochet of this increase. Now, insert hook into the marking stitch and work 1 slip stitch with white yarn to finish round 2. We can put the 2 color yarn tails on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Flip inside to outside. This is the correct side of the crochet piece. Please make sure the correct side is facing you. For round 3 to round 5, we need to work 6 single crochet each round with white yarn, totally 6 stitches each round. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. Repeat with 5 more single crochet. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 3. Repeat 6 single crochet in the same way as round 3 to finish round 4 and 5. We can cut off the excess pink yarn. Finished round 4 and 5. Now, we can use the needle to stuff the stuffing inside the arm. For round 6, we need to flatten the arm and hook 3 single crochet to close the opening, totally 3 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch of both sides of the arm. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull yarn through the 2 loops on hook to make 1 single crochet. Continue with 2 more single crochet to close the opening. The third single crochet. Finished round 6. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Finished 1 arm. We need to crochet another arm in the same way. Now, we have finished 2 arms of the cow.